Hi students, I want to teach you compulsory mathematics. In this chapter, I want to start first chapter set. Now, I want to derive the union of two sets in Venn diagram formula. Now, I want to take two sets A and B. These two sets are subset of universal set U. Now, here let A and B be two non-empty subsets of universal set U. Now I want to draw this universal set. It is universal set. It is in rectangle. Rectangle is always represent a universal set. Don't forget. And how many elements in this universal set? It is written as n of u, and this is cardinal number of set in universal set. How many elements are there in universal set u? It is n of u. And we take here A and B are two subsets. Now this first circle, it is set A, and in this set again we can write down here n of A. It is number of students in set A, and similarly, we can take another set B. It is set B, and in this set B, how many elements are there? Now it is n of B. So it is written as again n of B. Then we know here it is n of A, it is n of B. How many elements are in set first? It is set A. So it is n of A. How many elements are in set B? It is n of B. Now we have here this portion. This portion is intersection of both sets A and B. So it is written as, it is n of A intersection B. It is written as A intersection B. And how many elements are there? So it is n of A intersection B. And if we take set A, first set A, from this set, first set A, if you subtract this intersection portion, we'll get it is n not of A. It is only A, only first set. Similarly, this is n not of B. Now we can say from set B, if we subtract intersection portion, we'll get n not of B. From set A, if we subtract n of A intersection B, this portion, then we'll get n not of A. Now in A union B, there are three regions. Look here carefully. This, and this. There are three regions in A union B. So we can see in this A union B, it is n of A union B. Now I want to give some idea to know which terms are given in your question. So first, n of u. N of u, this means it is rectangle. In a rectangle, n of u is total number of students or participant. So it is total number of students. I want to write down this in short form. N of B, it is N of A, sorry. N of A is, it is number of students in first item. n of B. Now it is number of students in second item. Again, look at it, Venn diagram. This n of u is the total number of students. It is strength of the class. Total number of students, that means how many students are in the class, that is strength of class. This n of A is number of students in first item. N of B is number of students in second item. And this portion is n of A intersection B. N of A intersection B is number of students who like both items. So I want to write down this in short form, both. If you got this both, it is intersection. Don't forget, in your equation, if there is both term, then you can use it as intersection. And n of A union B is combination of these two circles. So this is said to be in your language either or at least one item. If there is either or at least one item, you should be clear in A union B and of A union B. Again, n naught of A. So n naught of A is this portion. So this is number of students in only first item. So we can write down here it is only first item. N naught of B, this portion, it is only second item. These are notation of two sets of a Venn diagram. Now I want to derive of A union B. Now look here. From this Venn diagram, n of A union B, I want to write down this n of A union B. It is the combination of only these two circles. So, in this combination of these two circles, there are 1, 2, 3 regions. If you add this and this one, you will get this portion, this n of A union B. So, n of A union B is first region is n naught of A. Next is this one, n naught of B, and finally this third portion plus n of A intersection B. You can suppose it is result first. Now A union B, look here again, n of A union B, it is this portion plus this portion plus this portion. Don't forget, you can draw Venn diagram, and if you take the sum of these three regions, you will get n of A union B. And this portion is n naught of A is equal to, from set A, n of A, if you subtract this portion minus n of A intersection B, you will get n naught of A. So it is result 2. N naught of B, this portion, it is from set B. If we subtract this intersection portion, n of A intersection B, you will get this region. It is result 3. Now I want to combine all these three results. Now look here. By first, second and third, by first, second and third result, we can copy here this one. N of A union B is equal to, now this n naught of A, n naught of A is n of A minus n of A intersection B. It is n of A minus n of A intersection B plus n naught of B, N not of B is this result. N of B minus N of A intersection B, and at last this is remaining plus N of A intersection B. Now these two terms cancel, and N of A union B is equal to how many terms remaining there? Write down all these. At first this N of A plus this N of B minus N of A intersection B. Now this is say 4. This is the formula to find out A union B if two sets, subsets of universal set are given. Now this is the derivation of A union B, and all these notation, set notation are here, and these are important for solving Venn diagram and your question of set. Okay, thank you.